Top 5 Best Heat Gun for Vinyl Wrap. Item number 5 is Wagner Spartech 05030008 HT-1000 Heat Gun. Specifications. Manufacturer, Wagner Spartech. Item weight, 1.5 pounds. Product dimensions, 9.5 by 2.75 by 8.5 inches. Country of origin, China. Item model number, 05030008. Color, yellow. Material, corrosion-resistant nozzle, high-impact plastic body. Power source, AC. Voltage, 120 volts. Wattage, 1200.00. Ratings, 4.7 out of 5. Item number 4 is Performance Tool W2082. Specifications. Manufacturer, Performance Tool. Item weight, 8 ounces. Product dimensions, 11.3 by 4.8 by 2 inches. Country of origin, China. Item model number, W2082. Color, black. Power source, battery powered. Ratings, 3.5 out of 5. Item number 3 is Seek 1 Heat Gun 1800 watts. Specifications. Manufacturer, Seek 1. Item weight, 1.98 pounds. Product dimensions, 9.76 by 7.22 by 1.5 inches. Item model number, Heat Gun 1800 watts. Color, yellow. Material, ABS. Wattage, 1800 watts. Ratings, 4.7 out of 5. Item number 2 is Genesis HG-1500A. Specifications. Manufacturer, Rich Power Industries Incorporated. Item weight, 2 pounds. Product dimensions, 8.75 by 8.5 by 2.75 inches. Country of origin, USA. Item model number, GHG-1500A. Color, gray/green. Power source, corded electric. Voltage, 120 volts. Wattage, 1500. Ratings, 4.6 out of 5. Item number 1 is Master Appliance HG-501D. Specifications. Manufacturer, Master Appliance. Item weight, 0.01 ounces. Product dimensions, 10 by 5.25 by 9.5 inches. Item model number, HG-501D. Material, heat gun. Power source, corded electric. Ratings, 4.3 out of 5.